Hi everybody. In this video I will show you how to find some really easy YouTube niches. Stay tuned because later in the video I will reveal my own channel which I only started a month ago and which is already doing very well. So to find niches you have to go to FindAChannel.net, which is a website I've built, and then you go to YouTube SEO Tools and YouTube Niche Ideas Finder. Okay, so here we can see a long list of the most competitive YouTube niches and also the least competitive YouTube niches. So obviously if you want to find an easy YouTube niche, go here, stay away from this column. So you can see there a very long list. This list is updated every day, so bookmark the page and come back if you need some more channel ideas. It should improve over time. I've got about 1,200 niches now, but it probably scaled to like a lot more than that. Okay, so let's have a look at some of the least competitive YouTube niches. In general, we'll see that stories are a very good niche. Navy SEAL stories, let's see if we have any more. Vampire stories. People always love stories, whether you're on YouTube or blogging or in real life. Animated stories is another one. So you can find some more. Korean romantic love stories, it's quite obscure there, real long tail there. But you see that my tool reckons that these are not very competitive. You really want to look for ones that are green in both. Popularity, this data mostly comes from bloggers, but you see that not many of these are very popular with bloggers. Competition is how easy it might be to get ranked for one of these stories. The keywords was another. Horror stories. There is a channel called Fascinating Horror that was started in 2019. So it's like only 2 years ago. They've had millions of views. This is a really good one. Hauls and unboxings are still quite good. There's just so many opportunities for unboxings. See anything else that stands out? There's another haul one. Nice stories. So again, I would say that the hottest thing at the moment are stories. C# programming, this is one I'm having a go at. Tutorials are very hot as well. It can be anything. I mean, instead of making a channel about unboxing clothes, maybe make a channel about making clothes. Barbie stories. I would say that stories is red hot at the moment. There's just so many different opportunities there. Let's have a look at some of these in more detail then. So if you click on one of these, then you can see more details of that niche. Let's go to TikToks. This is also very popular at the moment. People basically downloading TikToks, putting a YouTube video together. You can theme them on weight loss, people falling over, cats, dogs, other pets. Let's have a look, see here. So when you click on this, then you will see more details. You can click on this to see more related channels. But the featured channels is the most useful part here. It highlights channels that are quite new. This one was started, well, less than 2 years ago. And look how many subscribers they have already. Over 2.5 million subscribers. That's quite amazing, really. And they've had that's nearly 1 billion views. 1 billion, which is absolutely amazing for a brand new channel. So you can click through and see details of the channel. You can see some of their videos, quirky videos. This is estimated earnings. They may make more from affiliate offers, product placements, other things. You see that they have less than 300 videos. You can also check out that video here. And gravity is worth looking at as well. It's FindAChannel's estimate of like how good the channel is according to its visitors. So I think many people like it, but there are a lot higher channels. So let's go back to the list. Let's see if there are stories. I don't know if we have any vampire stories. Okay, so there's a few stories channels. Don't have any vampire stories channels yet. Maybe there aren't any. But you see that these were started. That's one started last year. You see, some of these are aimed at the Indian market. This can be really good, aiming at Indian, Filipino, or other markets around the world can also be a good idea. You find that you easily add subscribers and much less competitive than just targeting the USA or Western Europe. As you see that this one is less than a year old and they're approaching 500,000 subscribers, and that's an awful lot of views. I was going to show an unboxing gaming chairs. Unboxings are good because you can easily monetize your channel once it becomes popular. You'll probably find that manufacturers actually send you products to review once you start getting a lot of views and subscribers. These are gaming channels. Gaming is very, very hot on YouTube at the moment. You'll see that this channel was only started like less than a year ago, so about 6-7 months old. Now he has almost 2 million subscribers. Unbox Diaries, this is a good example of unboxing. This is the Filipino market. They're unboxing YouTube, they're unboxing mobile phones, and this has very high gravity, which is kind of an estimation of how engaging the content is. This is really important on YouTube. Make content that people will watch like the whole video. Okay, so that's an overview of some very easy niches. Next, I'll give you a quick overview of my own channel, which I launched less than a month ago. Okay, here's a quick look at a channel that I started just over a month ago. This niche is in the unboxing product reviews niche. It's actually about smart dolls. Photo of her there. These are like 2 foot high miniature dolls. They're very popular, got very popular during the COVID lockdown, and in a high value niche. It's also very easy to get traffic. As you can see, it had 50 views in the last 48 hours. I get a lot more views on this channel than I do on the channel you're watching now. And I'm also getting some, and that go away. Also gets quite a few views, although it's not a terribly huge niche, so I'll never get millions of views because the niche is quite small and it's very specialized. But you can see that people view quite a lot. The videos are quite short. The longest video is 7 minutes long. Average view duration is actually quite good, like 40% for this one, nearly 50% for this one. This is way more than I get for my other videos. 77 for this one. So people really like these videos. And if I click through, so the traffic looks pretty good. Engagement is good. So things like unboxing, collectibles are good. You don't even need to show your face on the channel. And so this is a good example. This is a very good example of easy niche. So anything to do with collectibles, unboxings are good. So if you want to find easy niches, then go and look at FindAChannel.net. I was also showing the likes, so I get way more likes, as you can see. No dislikes on this channel yet, and just about every video has got some likes. So this is a kind of very easy niche to get started on YouTube. You want things where you get lots of views, lots of likes. If I worked on this full time, I'll probably make a good income eventually. So definitely go to FindAChannel.net, click on the top link and find some easy niches. Good luck with making videos on YouTube.